Hello, my name is Bhavik Desai from the Nutanix Tech Marketing team, and in this video, I will show you a demo of multi-site replication in Leap that was introduced with AOS 5.19. So let's take a look. To set up a multi-site replication, what I have over here are 3 Prism Central instances. So this is my first Prism Central, this is my second one, and then there is the third one. So to first set up the multi-site replication, what we need to do is set up a protection policy. Now I have already gone ahead and created a multi-site protection policy over here, but let me just walk through the steps of doing it. And it's pretty similar to the way we've been doing it before in the previous versions. It's just that with 5.19, it just looks different now. So let me just give this a name. You select your local cluster, and then you select your remote location. This can be a remote PC instance, or it can be the local AZ while you select a different cluster on that. So let's say we select a different PC, and then you can add a schedule to it. I'm just keeping the defaults over here. And then you can add another recovery location and follow the same steps to add the secondary recovery location to have a multi-site replication happening. So let's go back and look at the policy which I've already created over here. So as you can see, I'm replicating from my primary site to a secondary Prism Central location, and then again from the primary site to another Prism Central location. And these are my scheduled policies set up. Now with 5.19, it allows you to set up a near sync policy as one of the schedules for doing multi-site. Sync replication is not supported right now, but it will soon be supported in a future version. Let's close this out, and let's look at the VM that is under this policy. So I have this VM which is being protected by the policy. Let's go ahead and open the console to it. And I've created a blank document over here. So once the protection policy is set up, we have to set up recovery plans for it. Now for multi-site, you can have a single protection policy spanning 2 different locations, but for recovery plans, you need to have a recovery plan for between individual sites. So there's a recovery plan from your site A to site B, and then there's another recovery plan from site A to site C. And this is pretty similar to previous ways of setting up recovery plans, where you set up your primary recovery location, you select the power on sequence for your VMs, and then provide the network settings. So now let's go ahead and do a test of the recovery plan from site B. So let me go over here, go to recovery plans. And then I'm just going to go ahead and test my recovery plan. I'm going to ignore that. I'm going to execute the test. Let's go and take a look at the steps as it's doing the validation and testing. We just kicked off the test. So it finished the test. Now let's go and take a look at the VMs. So here it's a failover VM. Let's launch the console to it, and here you see the document is present on the failed VM, failover VM. In the same way, users can test the failover between sites A and C as well. So now with 5.19, users have the ability to back up their VM from the primary location to multiple locations at the same time to handle multiple site failures if required.
As you saw in the demo with AOS 5.19, now it's very easy to set up multi-site replication in Leap to protect against multiple site failures. Thanks for watching.